Got a friend and she was going home one night. She doesn't have a car, so she was riding on her bike when a purple car with golden rims passed playing hip-hop noise. Stopped a half a block away and out jumped three black boys. They wore their pants down past their ass and one had golden teeth. He pushed my friend right off her bike and down into the street. They left her lying on the ground and they took all her stuff. I wonder if they felt like men, if they felt awfully tough. But now I ride the streets at night with a pistol in my hand, waiting for the time when I meet that bitch of a man. Cause they don't know what they set in motion. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean when they meet their gruesome end. Find them, I would show them how it feels. I'd tie them up and put their heads beneath my car's back wheels. I'd throw the car into reverse and slowly crush their heads. Cause if you mess with me and mine, you're gonna end up dead. So if you see that one out there who drives that purple car, let me know, please fill me in on who and where they are. Cause when I find the spineless trash who has the golden teeth, there's gonna be some western justice there in South Jack's Beach. Cause they don't know what they set in motion. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean when they meet their gruesome end. They don't know what they set in motion. That girl, she is my friend. I will leave their bodies in the ocean when they meet their gruesome end.